Good morning, and as always,
Slow is smooth, smooth is fast.
so what we're going to look at and talk about briefly today is two-dimensional motion.
Now, this is one of those really slow becomes smooth. Any two-dimensional motion problem can actually be broken down to two one-dimensional problems. And since you're an expert at one-dimensional motion, it's very easy to be an expert at two-dimensional motion if you're willing to take your time.
So movement along the horizontal x-axis is independent of the movement along the vertical y-axis. So really, the way that I think about this is I really think about that example that we had with the different blocks that you travel. So you travel 4 blocks north and then 3 blocks west. So we're looking at a horizontal, the 3, and the vertical 4 when we look at this on a map. So really we can actually break that motion, look at the whole path, or we can look at those individual directions and motions into a one-dimension problem.
So if we try to tackle this problem head-on with no organization, it can be confusing because you'll have a velocity in the x direction and a velocity in the y direction.
So is that why when we wrote our kinematic equations from those notes, we had the x and the y?
And that's exactly. I like to have that difference so that way I know, oh, this is an equation that's working in the horizontal, and then here's an equation that's working in the vertical. It allows me to organize my own work.